Hello everyone, my name is Manushree. I am studying 9th class in Mathman High School, Vijayawada. I am here to tell today's Hindu editorial analysis on 27 July 2021. The two topics that were given in our editorial page are Change at the Helm and Wounded Mountains. We'll discuss the second topic, that is Wounded Mountains, from our editorial page in our today's video. So before going through that, let's have a small look on the first topic given, Change at the Helm. As the BJP seeks to widen its social base, it should avoid the politics of polarization. So what is the meaning of helm? It means command, control, leadership or rudder. Okay, helm means command, control, leadership or rudder. And polarization, dispersion, divergence or division or separation. Okay, into two things or two paths, two different ways also. Okay, so in this topic, the BJP, they wants to seek the social based topics which can avoid the politics in dispersing or in separating the politics. They want a social based economy so that they cannot change. Okay, by unseating B.S. Yediyurappa from the Chief Minister's chair in Karnataka, the Bharatiya Janata Party has set in motion a new strategy for its consolidation in the state, considering that its change of guard has been in the making for a while. The party must have accounted for the ramifications. The BJP had to change its chief minister in Uttarakhand twice within a span of 4 months, recently pointing to the pitfalls in affecting changes even when they are premeditated. Mr. Yediyurappa is no pushover and remains agile and active even at the age of 78. He has already said he would remain active in politics, at least for now. He has no intention of crossing swords with the central leadership of the party, which gave him the marching orders, but the Lingayat community that he belongs to has left no opportunity to express its displeasure. Community leaders and seers have come out openly in support of the displaced chief minister. Okay, so now the chief minister's chair. So who is the present chief minister in Karnataka? So B.S. Yediyurappa. When he was unseated, then the BJP party, they have moved to a new strategy for in the state. So by considering all the accountants and all making parties, the BJP, they have made a change that the chief minister of the Uttarakhand, he has twice in one span for 4 months. So pointing all the pitfalls of the changes and all the pushovers that was done by Yediyurappa, and that were even he made many changes, and he was also active at the age of 78. So now he has already entered and he has already said he would remain in the politics. Well, so the first topic is purely based on the politics. Well, let's get into our today's topic. Wounded Mountains. Tourist tragedy in Himachal Pradesh points to the importance of preserving ecology. Okay, means the tourist things or all the signs that were done in the Himachal Pradesh, they point towards the preserving of all the ecology problems or the importance of the ecology. The tragic death of 9 tourists in the landslip in Kinnaur district of Himachal Pradesh is another pointer to the fragility of the ecology of the Himalayan states. Extraordinarily heavy rain pummeled the state recently, leaving the hill slopes unstable and causing floods in built-up areas including Dharamshala. The descending boulders from established terrain which cursed and crushed a bridge like a matchstick are a source of worry even for cautious local residents and for unwary visitors such as the tourists traveling in a van. They can turn into sudden disaster. Himachal is famed for its scenic vistas and welcoming summer climate and drew a few 100,000 tourists in June this year as states began relaxing the controls for COVID-19. Well, let's discuss the meanings in this in this topic. Well, the first one is fragility. So it means, fragility it means weak or frailty, delicacy or brightlessness or feeble. Frailty, delicacy, brightlessness or feeble. Okay. Pummeled, it means hit, strike, thrash. Pummel means strike, hit or thrash. Well, and terrain, it means kingdom, land, ground or territory. Land, ground or territory. And unwary, it means careless, heedless, inattentive. Careless, heedless and inattentive. There was justified alarm at the prospect of a fresh surge in infections, prompting Chief Minister Jairam Thakur to appeal for COVID-19 appropriate behavior. Unfortunately, there was not enough vigil against travel to risky areas. In the wake of a disastrous year for tourism, resulting in a mishap in Kinnaur's Basteri area, what should worry Himachal and neighboring Uttarakhand is that the states may be entering a phase of irreversible decline because of losses to their ecology. Frequent landslides may become inevitable. Bootstrapping an incompatible model of developing in the hills, represented by big hydroelectric projects and large-scale construction activity involving destruction of forests and damming of rivers, is an invitation to harm. Okay. Bootstrapping, it means starting and developing a business using a lot of efforts. Starting and developing a business using a lot of efforts means starters up. Mega hydropower, which Himachal Pradesh is working to tap as a significant source of green power that substitutes energy from fossil fuels, could alter several aspects of ecology, rendering it vulnerable to the effects of extreme events such as cloudbursts, flash floods, landslides, and earthquakes. The Parliamentary Standing Committee on Energy during 2018 to 2019 noted that the state could more than double its existing harnessed hydropower potential of 10,547 MW. Kinnaur is a focus point for such development, centered around the potential of the glacially fed Sutlej Valley, but one scientific estimate warns that avaricious tapping over the river through all planned projects would impound nearly a quarter of its water in the dam and divert a staggering 72% through tunnels. Other researchers studying in 2015 Nepal earthquake. Point 2, high seismicity causing fatal landslides and several damage to hydropower structures in the Himalayas. The cost of power produced was underestimated, while the potential was overestimated. Evidently, it is impossible to assign a real value to the costs to people and communities, together with the loss of pristine forests that weak afforestation programs cannot replace. As catastrophic weather events inflict frequent heavy losses, Himachal Pradesh and other Himalayan states can only watch their ecological base erode. Changing course may yet preserve a lot of their natural riches. Okay, let's see the meanings in this para. Incompatible, it means opposite, conflicting. Opposite and conflicting, it means incompatible. Harness, safety belt, support, employ, utilize. Harness means safety belt, support, employ, or utilize. So this is our today's topic. Thank you.